So we looked at the entire process that companies use to make a machine. And if you look at the time and cost issues that come about, the two main areas we found where significant impact can be made is in the systems engineering and in the concept design of the machine. So MCD, Mechatronics Concept Designer, is a product that we have been working on for the past 4 or 5 years to address this challenge of systems engineering and concept design. I'll explain to you a little bit in more detail how MCD works and what does it do. So today, what happens is a machine tool builder, a company that is making machines, when first they look at the requirements of what the machine needs to do. And that is from the voice of the customer, where the customer tells them, this is what I want my machine to do. The next stage is what they create is called as a technology draft, which is a very typical paper-based design process to create a draft of what the machine will be like. Once this technology draft is agreed upon by the customer, then they do the detailed mechanical design, electronic design, software design, pneumatic design. Today, the mechanical design process is the lead process that starts the machine manufacturing design process. And before the next disciplines can start, it can take anywhere from 6 to 8 months before the next process of electrical design or some of the other designs will start. So what we are trying to do is first get all these different disciplines, the mechanical design, the electronic design, the software design, all those 3 disciplines to work together, to work in parallel. The second process that we are enabling through MCD, through Mechatronics Concept Designer, is replacing the manual drafting process, the manual technology draft process with the electronic process. So previously the manual process that was undertaken by these companies is now going to be replaced with MCD. And then the third thing we are enabling with MCD is this concept of a functional model. So what we are doing is using the functional model as a common language between all these disciplines of mechanical, electrical, and software, so that all these different disciplines have one common understanding of what the machine needs to do. So this functional model is based on the requirements, that if this is what the customer wants, how can I make the machine? What will the machine need to do? What is the function the machine will perform? So that functional model then meets meets all the requirements and drives the rest of the development. The functional model also enables a lot of reuse. So once you have defined the functional model, you can take that same function and reuse it in other machines. The big difference between other reuse versus functional reuse is when you reuse at a functional level, you get the mechanical data, the software data, the electronic data, the wiring data, everything comes together. So you have to reuse only one time and you get everything with it. Mechatronics Concept Designer, to meet all these different capabilities, has a lot of interesting features. There is one feature I would like to highlight in our meeting today. So to make MCD very easy to use and also to give it the function to do a lot of simulation and testing and the ability to try out the different concepts, we have incorporated a gaming engine inside MCD. So this makes it very easy for a designer to try out different concepts and see if the concept will work right in the upfront stage before they do the detailed engineering for a machine. And once the concept has been identified, the right concept has been identified, then using that right concept, they can communicate it through this one common functional language to all the other disciplines, saying that we need to meet this functional requirement, and now you need to do the mechanical design, you need to do the software design, you need to do the electrical design, the automation design to meet this one concept. So this concept design process replaces the old 2D drafting process that many companies still use today. So you can imagine when they are doing drafting or technology drafting today, they write it on paper, draw it on paper, then they give it to many people. With this new method, they can do this electronically, simulate the draft of the machine electronically, and then communicate all the details of that machine electronically to all the detailed engineers. So the automation engineer, the mechanical engineer, the software engineer can all work from this electronic model. So just to summarize, these are some of the benefits we expect the machine tool builders to get. So using this concept design, they can have better collaboration between all the different engineers, which will help reduce the time to make a machine. The second advantage is through this upfront simulation using the gaming engine, the physics engine, you can evaluate many alternatives and come up with the best design. We can also reduce the late integration issues because now everyone is working through one common language. So you will not have misunderstanding between the different people. They're all working through one common language. And the last is what we are calling reuse of intelligent objects. So it is just not reuse of mechanical CAD data, but reuse of the entire object, which includes mechanical, software, electronics, controls, everything.